We have arrived. It's probably 10 o'clock at night. Dark out seems to be our theme lately, but we are here at Big Bear Lake Family Resort, and from what I can see in the dark, looks pretty nice. Just got unhooked. Got it all leveled out. And I got the oven on so that Mike can eat some dinner. Gonna make a pizza. Haven't had one of those in actually a really long time.
It's currently 10:21. Why do we keep doing this?
It's like a recurring theme we got going on.
Yeah, once again, we don't know what this campground looks like.
Yeah, I said, from what I could tell, it looked pretty nice.
Yeah, we're almost set up. Plug in the power, put the stabilizers down.
Yep, and then we got the dogs staring out the window.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
That's 10:30 and we're set up. That was good timing.
It was very efficient, even in the dark.
This is going to be about a week-long camping trip for Lynn.
Yes.
But me, on the other hand, I brought those because I am working this week. We have training, so I have training. So that's what I'm doing this week. Man, this Airstream's a wreck.
Yeah, well, we're not used to having all this camp or all this work stuff in here.
I know.
You got raincoats and 3 different pairs of shoes. You got more shoes than I do in here.
We're just waiting for the pizza to cook.
Yeah, don't mind this sty over here. It's cardboard boxes that usually go in the trunk, but
Fire starter.
yeah, it's all fire starter.
Okay, I'm calling it a night. I'm going to eat dinner, get a shower, and I'm off to bed.
Well, it is Tuesday. Pretty late in the afternoon, I'd say. But it's just been me all day, kind of just hanging out with the dogs, and they are playing, as you can see. Just got word that Mike is on his way back, so pretty excited for that. It's kind of been long, but not a bad day. It's been pretty relaxing, quiet here, except for they like mowed everything today, so that's why I didn't record anything until now, because they finished. So hopefully we will see Mike very soon.
Day 1 of training is down.
And how was it?
It was not fun. It was like my eyes kept wanting to close. I was like, trying to stay awake.
Yeah, sleeping with your eyes open is what I like to call it.
I've only got 2 more days of this training. But it sure isn't, it's definitely not camping. Not for me.
For me it is, but it isn't because I'm just by myself with the doggies.
It's not much different than when I did my 2 weeks of training and I stayed in the Airstream when I was doing the examiner training. But I have company now.
Yeah.
So that's different. But otherwise, it's just like just another day of, you know, I work, come home, get clothes. I don't know what they see.
Nothing. A leaf. Piper!
Piper!
Chill out. No, Bart. You're crazy.
So anyways, we might possibly leave here on Thursday evening sometime and go hit up another campground and then go home on Sunday.
That's what I'm hoping for.
Undecided, but
yeah, we haven't decided where if we do that.
well, it's hard because right now I've got 1x signal, which equals can't do anything.
Pretty much, yeah.
So when we're trying to look and see what the availability is at parks around us, we can't.
Yeah, it's like
nothing.
stepping back almost 20 years in time.
We get 0 TV channels, 0 cell service.
Yeah.
Which it's nice getting no cell service, but when you want to look for campgrounds,
Yeah.
it makes it a little difficult.
We have to go up to the office or the main drag, the state route, to get service. I've been watching movies if I want to watch TV.
Yeah, she's just going through our stack of DVDs while I'm gone.
Which is fine because most of them haven't been watched in how many years?
Yeah.
A lot.
But I'm gonna get a shower. We're gonna call it a night.
This is the map to Big Bear Lake Family Resort. Just wanted to give a quick overview of just how large this park is. We are way in the back in site 0-10. I'm going to be taking a walk around, show you what it looks like. Just want to make note that they do also have a menu up at their front office, which is pretty convenient. We haven't ordered anything, but Mike said it smells really good every time you go in there.
We're going.
So impatient.
My day 2 of training is over, and it's almost 5, so we're gonna take the dogs for a walk. I really haven't been able to check out the campground yet, so.
Besides driving in and out.
Yeah, that's about the extent of it.
So we're gonna take a gander about with the puppies, and they're both raring to go. Like it's nap time.
Well, that's 3 days of training in the books. We're getting out of here.
Yeah, we're all hooked up. Dogs are in the truck. Now we're just ready to head on out.
You just sat here the whole time.
There was no TV, no cell, so I had to, you know, keep myself busy in other ways, which was watching movies and playing with the dogs.
The training was incredibly mind-numbing, but now I'm federally certified as a skills performance evaluation specialist. What that is, the federal government came in and they trained us and certified us. And if somebody that has their CDL loses a limb, like let's say lose their hand or their leg or part of their arm, and they have a prosthetic limb, then they have to be evaluated doing pre-trip inspection, off-road skills, and then driving on the road. And since I'm federally certified, I can go anywhere in the country, not just stuck within Ohio. Whether or not the Ohio BMV will allow me to go out of state, it's probably unlikely, but I can. And when we were done, they gave me something. They gave me a license plate. It says SPE, Skills Performance Evaluation. They said, do not put this on your vehicle. They only gave me one. I mean, at least they gave me something, right?
Yeah, I guess.
It's kind of cool. You get an actual license plate.
Yeah. It's a lot of money you got in your hand right there.
Yeah, it is. But overall, the campground was pretty great. There's nothing really special or outstanding about it except for the owners.
I was gonna say, the only thing that stood out to me was the owners.
I did call to reserve this. I know, we never reserved, but I kind of had to be here. There was no flexibility, so I reserved. And when I reserved, I told him I could come in late, and he asked what time. I was like, I don't know, 9 or 10 p.m. So the day we were coming down, he called me and just said, hey, just making sure everything's going all right, just checking up to see what time you're going to be here. And I said, probably about 10 o'clock. So he said, okay, call me again when you're about an hour away. So I did, called him and said, we're right on track, be 10 o'clock. When we got here, they were waiting for us at the front and got me all checked in, and we talked for a couple minutes, and then he led us down here to our campsite. I'm glad he did, because 10 o'clock at night at this place, we would have been lost.
Yeah, this place has got lots of roads, and
This place is big,
yeah,
but it's mostly seasonal.
yes,
I mean, that's any private campground.
at least 98% of it seasonal.
So we're leaving here. We're all packed up, hooked up, getting out. I think we're going to go to another campground for the weekend.
That's what I'm hoping for.
Basically we'll have, what, Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night. So, yeah. Three more nights in the trailer. But this time it'll be camping.
Yes. It'll be a celebration of you completing your training.
Yeah, not my birthday, which is today. All right, we're getting out of here. Stay tuned.